This video is produced by Nikhil Sablania for understanding the consequences of neural networks. Have you ever wondered how computers learn? It's fascinating. Imagine a computer that can recognize your face, understand your voice, or even play games like you. This magic happens with neural networks. Neural networks are like digital brains inspired by the amazing network of neurons in our own heads. These networks are made up of tiny interconnected nodes, just like the neurons in our brains. These nodes work together, passing information to each other and learning from every interaction. This is how a computer learns to identify a picture of a cat or translate languages. It's like teaching a computer to think. Think about how you learned to ride a bike. At first it was wobbly and uncertain, but with practice, your brain learned the right movements and balance. Neural networks work similarly. They learn from massive amounts of data, identifying patterns and improving their performance over time. It's like giving the computer a million practice runs until it masters the task. The more data you feed them, the smarter they become. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, neural networks are transforming our world in ways we never thought possible. But who's creating these incredible thinking machines? Companies big and small are racing to develop the most sophisticated neural networks. These companies see the immense potential of AI and are investing billions of dollars in research and development. Building a neural network is like constructing a complex puzzle. It starts with data, tons of it. This data could be anything: images, text, sounds, or even sensor readings. The more diverse and comprehensive the data, the better the neural network will perform. Once the data is collected, it needs to be cleaned and prepared. Imagine having a giant box of Lego bricks all jumbled up. You need to sort them by color and size before you can build anything amazing. Similarly, data scientists spend countless hours cleaning and organizing data to make it usable for training the neural network. Then comes the exciting part: training the network. This is like teaching the network to learn from the data. It's like showing a child thousands of pictures of cats and dogs and helping them learn the difference. With each image, the network adjusts its internal settings, improving its ability to recognize patterns. The process is complex and requires significant computing power, but the results are transformative, enabling computers to perform tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of humans. While the potential of neural networks is immense, it's important to remember that every technological advancement casts a shadow. As we marvel at the capabilities of these thinking machines, we must also consider the ethical and societal implications of their creation and use. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias. Just like humans, neural networks can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. If the data reflects existing societal prejudices, the network may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. Imagine a neural network trained to assist with hiring decisions. If the historical data shows a bias towards hiring men for leadership positions, the network might unfairly disadvantage female candidates. This is just one example of how algorithmic bias can have real-world consequences, perpetuating existing inequalities. Another concern is the impact on privacy. As neural networks become more sophisticated, they require vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data often includes personal information about individuals, raising concerns about surveillance and data security. The development of neural networks is driven by a complex interplay of factors. For tech companies, the allure of progress is undeniable. Neural networks promise to revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. These technologies offer the potential for increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and the automation of complex tasks. Companies see artificial intelligence as a key driver of innovation and economic growth, and they are eager to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. The race to develop the most advanced neural networks is also fueled by competition. Tech giants are vying for dominance in the AI landscape, investing heavily in research and development to outmaneuver their rivals. This competition, while driving innovation, also raises concerns about the concentration of power. As a handful of companies control the development and deployment of these powerful technologies, it's crucial to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. The invisible eye, surveillance capitalism, and the data economy. In the digital age, data has become a new form of currency. Every click, every search, every interaction online generates valuable data. This has given rise to what's been called surveillance capitalism. Companies collect vast amounts of data on our behavior, often without our consent. This data is used to create detailed profiles of our preferences and habits. These profiles are valuable for targeted advertising and predicting our behavior. This raises serious concerns about privacy, autonomy, and manipulation. The environmental cost of thinking machines. Developing and deploying sophisticated neural networks requires significant computing power. This, in turn, consumes vast amounts of energy, contributing to the growing problem of electronic waste. The data centers that power our digital lives are energy-hungry behemoths, consuming massive amounts of electricity and water to run servers and keep them cool. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, the environmental impact of these data centers is only going to increase. Furthermore, the production of electronic devices, including the chips that power AI systems, relies on resource-intensive mining practices and often involves hazardous materials. This raises concerns about environmental degradation and the ethical sourcing of materials. It's crucial that we develop more sustainable approaches to AI, exploring energy-efficient algorithms, promoting responsible data storage practices, and reducing electronic waste. An uneasy future concerns and challenges. The rapid advancement of neural networks has left many people feeling uneasy about the future. Scientists, social scientists, governments, and ordinary citizens alike are grappling with the potential consequences of this technological revolution. One of the most pressing concerns is the impact on employment. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they threaten to automate jobs across various sectors, from manufacturing and transportation to customer service and even creative fields. This displacement of workers could exacerbate existing economic inequalities and lead to social unrest. It's crucial that we prepare for the future of work by investing in education and training programs that equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy. Another concern is the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, neural networks could be used to create autonomous weapons systems, spread misinformation and propaganda, or even erode democratic institutions. It's essential that we establish ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI, ensuring that these powerful technologies are used for good and not for harm. The new loom. Are we weaving a better future or entangling ourselves? The development of neural networks can be likened to the invention of the loom. Just as the loom revolutionized textile production, AI has the potential to transform countless aspects of our lives. But just as the Industrial Revolution brought about both progress and upheaval, so too will the AI revolution. The key question is, will we use this technology to weave a more equitable and prosperous future for all, or will we allow it to further entangle us in systems of oppression and inequality? The answer lies in our hands. We must approach AI development with a critical eye, ensuring that it aligns with our values and serves the common good. A world transformed, navigating the uncharted waters of the AI revolution. The AI revolution is upon us. Neural networks are transforming our world at an unprecedented pace, presenting both extraordinary opportunities and unprecedented challenges. It's a time of both excitement and uncertainty. We are venturing into uncharted waters, navigating a future shaped by technologies that we are only beginning to understand. But one thing is certain, the future is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape the trajectory of AI development to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, fostering ethical innovation, and prioritizing human well-being, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for generations to come. Together, we hold the key to navigating these uncharted waters and steering the AI revolution towards a future where everyone thrives. This video is produced by Nikhil Sablania. You can support us by ordering book on our website nspmart.com or call us on these numbers 8527533051 or 8851188 170. Please like, share, subscribe and keep notification on. Thanks for watching it.